Hi everyone, this is Michael. This is my first video and I'm going to talk about medical device regulatory affairs, specifically for NMPA registration. And the reason why I make this video is that I want to become a Wanghong, meaning that's a Chinese word meaning that online celebrity. I have more than 13 years experience in this field, um, including in working for some consulting companies and medical device distributors or importers in China, and also both domestic and foreign manufacturers. So I may share some of my experience, some of the knowledge to the foreign manufacturers because the global regulations are changing frequently. There are hot topics of the EU MDR, and also in China, NMPA is the same. There are new laws, new guidelines, and standards keep coming. So sometimes for the foreign manufacturers, they are very confusing for the NMPA registration process. That is because of the different languages, different cultures, or different understandings to the standard or requirements. I have seen many companies that they spent a lot of time, many years to get the China approval, and even they got approval, there are still some gaps, and potentially maybe after they got approval and during the post-market inspections, they may have big issues when the authority check the quality management system or the documents. So I will try to explain what the China Competent Authority would like to see during the registration. And this video is not like the traditional training or webinar, something like that. So my video is, my content is some kind of freestyle. So there might be some topics and whatever it comes into my mind, I will just put into this video. So you may see a lot of other training materials available on the internet, which is official and peer-reviewed. But for this video, most of the information is my personal interpretation or my personal understanding. So you need to be careful and cross-check the information I gave in this video. And the most topic in my video will be the NMPA registration. And I will also compare with the MDR or other global regulatories. Because in recent years there are more and more similarities between the China requirements and also the MDR, for example, because the way we reference a lot of IMDRF documents in most recent years. In the meantime, I'm also doing the Chinese video and I'm talking more about global regulatory affairs for the Chinese video. And this English video is more about an NMPA registration. And I will publish it on the YouTube and might be also synchronized to the platforms in China. And that is because of the internet censorship and also, especially this year, the COVID-19 and political reasons. Some countries, you ban me and I block you. So I just want to make sure that no matter where you are, you can see my video. So that will also be good for my goal, which is to become an international Wanghong. And because of I also have my normal work, sometimes the project, especially from the Chinese customer, is very urgent. So there will be not much time on this video. I will try to update once a week. Important topic I will introduce how to prepare your submission dossier, about the China regulation, about Chinese submission, and also what you need to pay attention to the product design and the type testing, also the clinical evaluation. So also I will also introduce the most recent updates of the regulations and how to make a better strategy for China market. So if you want to know more about NMPA regulations, regulatory affairs, or you have better suggestions, so welcome to leave your message and I will try to make some series of video for that. And from the next episode, I will talk about the clinical evaluation requirement from the NMPA. And it will also compare to the EU MDR and the MEDEF 2.71, as well as the MDCG guidance. Because of these, my freestyle show, the time will not be very long for each video, which is more or less about 10 or 15 minutes. So one topic may take several episodes. And yeah, okay. Today we're just down here. If you are interested, just subscribe, like, or share my video. Thank you, and see you soon.